Hello everyone. So this is Jenny's today's session is managing data. So managing data means we are going to follow some process. So what are the processes are available? How we can do this process in data management? Everything we can know one by one. Okay. So let's start. So in this picture you can see data management. So the overall control is the data management. Okay, so first of all we are going to maintain that architecture. So architecture means design, and then we are going to store that data in a data storage. So for storage we can utilize or use database systems or data warehouses, okay, for the storage purpose. Another one is we are going to fetch or managing or merging the data or recollecting the data. Everything we can do in this metadata management or master data management process, and then you are going to check the validating whether it is quality or not. Everything you can check in this quality control. And then next process is integration. So integration means we are going to combine the data from the various, it means different data, different procedures or different data. We are going to combine the data from various parts. Okay, so that is integration. And next one is warehouse. Warehouse simply we can say as a storage purpose. So okay, so another one is transformation. So from the warehouse to another place we are moving the data or materials or something, anything. So we can move from data one place to another place, that is transformation. And final one is governance. Governance means here you are going to follow some policies. These are the process of this data management. So it's a very important concept in this computer applications. Another one is you can see what is managing data. So this is the data representation of collecting, storing, processing, securing, validating, protecting and organizing your informations. Okay, so these categories already I said. First one is data storage. So you can use databases as well as data warehouses. If you are using computer applications, we can use databases. If you are using manual in the real life, we can use this data warehouses. Another one is data quality. Ensure the data, okay, whether it is consistent or reliable, accurate, everything we are going to check in this data quality. And third one is data governance. We are going to establish the policies, standards, procedures, everything. And fourth process you can see data security. Yes, you want to protect your data from the unauthorized access or third parties access. Okay, so that is protection of data, so that we are giving that security for your information. Information is nothing but data. Okay, another one is data analytics. Data analytics means we are going to utilize your data for analysis as well as decision making. So what are the decision, what are the ideas we can implement or we can put in that part, like that informations we are going to utilize in this analysis part. Okay, and next we can see that real-time examples of managing data. You can use that charts and tables. I show you.
Thank you so much, my friend Jenny.